The company Moment Wish gifted me this beautiful necklace that I'm going to show you. It makes the perfect gift. They bring everything like this, and you just have to put it together to give it as a beautiful gift. It comes with a bag, a nice bag to put it. It comes with all the information about the stone, the certificate of the stone. So it's a nice, when you're giving it, you're going to see here, it's going to give you all the information, the stone, the moissanite report. You can put all of this together in the little bag like this, which is going to make it such a perfect gift. And then of course we have our beautiful necklace in this beautiful box. Moment's Wish. Inside the box we have a little pouch, a cleansing cloth, and of course we have our beautiful necklace. This is in the gold with a nice floating stone. Look how that shines. It has this lobster clapped. I want to show you how beautiful it looks. It's a floating stone, and it's such a delicate look. This is the length. This is as long. This is how long it will be. Of course, you can make it shorter. Look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dancing moissanite stone. And of course, if you're giving it as a gift, you just have all that you need in this beautiful Moment Wish bag. I highly recommend it. I love it.